Alright guys, we are out here at Tulsa Raceway Park. Second time trying to test the car. Ryan's getting the lug nuts torqued down, just double checking everything. Car seems to be good. It's happy with the new distributor. So yeah, just got teched in, and then we're gonna go try to test it. So. Alright guys, about to roll into the water box. Hopefully this thing does something. Third.
Because it did this at the house.
Yo.
It did this at the house and then killed power and then put power back on it. And then it was sending 14 volts back to the battery.
The car went slow and we couldn't go into third. So, yeah, as you can tell, oh, you can't even see. Let's see if you can see. Oh, yeah, 11.8 volts. My alternator's not working.
You'll have that on them big jobs. And just remember, 60% of the time, it works every time.
Actually.
So we got on the charger now, and it come to find out a cooler line was actually in the way. That's what was making it not go into third gear.
I bet
so,
you it's
yeah.
the belt.
I don't know if it's the belt.
I bet you it's the belt because when it's low RPMs, the belt is turning the alternator fully because it's not spinning as fast with the crank.
Yeah, but it was weak up there whenever I went to start it going through staging lanes. So, I mean, we can try to tighten it. You want to try to tighten it?
I mean, because
let's try to tighten it.
Yeah,
we're going to try to tighten the belt.
It's sloppy.
Alright guys, trying to make a second pass tonight. We're having some charging issues. We're not sure if the belt's just loose or what, but so we sat at the trailer for a while trying to get the battery charged up because it's practically dead. We're hoping that's why it left sluggish, but we'll find out more once we get up there and actually see what it does. So hopefully it actually runs decent. carburetor tuning, and I think this thing's gonna be bad. That is awesome. Hell yes. It went what? 202 60 foot, 862, 1386, yeah. 81 mile an hour. If we could get the 60 foot down, I know what the problem is though.
What?
It stumbles when I stab it.
Hey.
Hey, Dave.
I wonder if it's a fuel issue. Remember it was like fuel cut last time?
You still
Well,
gotta be careful
yeah.
on your toes.
I know, bud. So yeah, it's slow, but we're gonna make it work. It just needs some tuning, I swear.
So what?
It just needs tuning. It's the carburetor. It stumbled whenever I left. As soon as I went to stab it, it kind of just, it tried to kind of die out, and then it felt like you turned nitrous on or something. It just kicked you back in the seat and actually pulled. So that's probably gonna be it for tonight though, guys, so stay tuned. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this video and this evening. We gotta get everything loaded up and go home, but good outing with the car. I mean, really found a couple issues we gotta get fixed, which, you know, that happens. Need some carburetor tuning. This carburetor is meant for a lot smaller motor, or not really smaller, but a lot less horsepower and a lot less of everything that's in it, so it's not right. Gotta tune it for it. But I don't know, I might just save up and get a good carburetor put on it, something built for the motor, and then Dad can have this one back because it's a good carburetor on the other car. So we'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Shenanigans. Later.